Expect some dinner. Oh, I did some chicken wings. That's what we have for dinner. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everyone are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you doing that. Okay guys, before I deep fry my chicken, I've already marinated the chicken for about 3 hours. Okay, I marinated my chicken with onions powder, ginger powder, a bunch of seasoning, guys, paprika, black pepper, and some pepper flakes. That's what I used to, and some salt, of course. I used to marinate my chicken wings. Then I kept it inside the fridge for about 3 hours. And also I added a little bit of baking powder and a little bit of cornstarch to my seasoning. That's what I used to season the chicken wings before I'm frying it right now. Okay, I just want to deep fry it. I would You can also use oven for this, but I prefer to use oil to deep fry it this time around. Okay, thank you all for stopping by. If you are new yet, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell, and so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Okay, while the chicken was frying off camera, okay, I went ahead and washed my potatoes. Okay, I cut them into smaller pieces. Then I put it inside the pot. I added water and salt. I allowed the potatoes to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, after cooking, I strained out the water. Then I added some oil and some black pepper. I mix it together before I put them inside the oven. Okay, before I put it inside the oven to allow it to bake. If you do your potato this way, you are going to enjoy your potato. It will come out crispy and yummy. Okay, try this method. Okay, try it and you are going to love it. Okay, then I flip it over to the other side and I like to bake completely. Then I went back to my chicken. This is my chicken still frying. Okay, now it's done. Okay, I'm just going to take it out of the fire. Okay guys, keep watching guys, and please don't forget to give the video a very big thumbs up and share also. I love you guys. And make sure to deep fry your chicken on a very low heat. Okay, don't allow the fire to be too high. Make sure to put the fire on a very low heat so that it will cook properly. Okay, Jay. Okay, Jay. Why, Kuma? Okay, who is Jay? Without video, how about you? Bye bye. Okay, Jay. Bye bye. Okay, guys, this is the finished look of the chicken. It looks so crispy, yummy. This food was so good, guys. And take a look at the potato. Look at it, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done cooking. This is my plate. And guess what, guys? I'm going to go right now and do a mukbang video, okay? You guys want to come with me? Let me take you guys along. Let's go do mukbang. And you are going to see it on the next video, okay? Thank you all for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, and share this video. I appreciate every one of you. Let's go do mukbang, okay? And you are going to see the next, on the next video, you're going to watch the watch me eat this delicious meal. Okay, bye guys. Bye bye. Bye. This is hot.